name is Bernd Schüssler and I'm the Global Account Manager for Rockwell Automation here at Pepperl+Fuchs. We have been a global partner to Rockwell Automation for over 20 years, providing reliable explosion protection solutions and technologies for process automation. Headquartered in Mannheim, Germany, and with over 50 local offices spread over 6 continents, we serve our customers in process industries from oil and gas, chemical, pharmaceutical to power generation, food and beverage, and aviation. Our market-leading solutions range from intrinsic safety barriers, remote I/O and purge systems, to hazardous area-rated HMI and mobility solutions such as smartphones and tablets. Looking ahead, we are excited to work with Rockwell Automation on promoting new technologies such as Ethernet APL solutions for the process industry. Combining our expertise in explosion protection and Rockwell Automation's focus on enabling smart manufacturing and the connected enterprise, we help customers on their digital transformation journey to become more productive and sustainable.